What's up, guys? We're at a new location today. We're at this Mexican Asian's front yard. I mean, look, he looks Asian, but he speaks fluent Spanish, and he's from Mexico, I believe. I don't know where he's from, actually. So we got the old work truck here. Got the tuner, cold air intake, oil crossover, vacuum pump, hopefully get the brakes working. Got quattro new tires.
This baby's right here.
We got the 4-inch exhaust. We got lowering shackles. But first, we need to go to the gas station and get beer and Red Bull.
Let's bet.
Bet.
Let's go.
All right, we're back. We got beer. We got Red Bull. We should probably start. We have a lot of stuff to do today. What do you want to start with?
So let's do the damn tires first.
I'm with you on that. Easiest thing first. Easiest thing first.
Let's just swap a roux and then we're good to go. Let's do it.
Lowering shackles too?
Yeah, let's do it too.
At the same time?
Since
All
it's
right.
gonna be up in this. Yeah, it's fine. The clouds aren't helping.
Oh no, I gotta go down. There we go.
I look darker than what I am. Look more Mexican now.
So we got the back half of the nasty exhaust out. We got the old tires off, obviously. We still need the downpipe out. We still need the downpipe out. We got the intake off. I'm gonna take out the PCM now, put the Hydra in. He's over here messing with the vacuum pump, so we hopefully get brakes. If not, it's gonna be my master cylinder. But he's using the grinder right now, so downpipe's gonna stay in for right now. All right, let's tune it. You know what we should do? We should go to Hoodies for lunch. Hoodies. Huh?
Sound like a Hooters?
No, it's a sandwich shop right down the street. They have like the best Philly cheesesteaks.
I'm not sure you how pressing is.
Alright guys, so got the laptop out, waiting for this guy to give me the Wi-Fi password. We're gonna be tuning this little Hydra here. for maximum horsepower performance. I gave the good old chip in here a little cleaning. I think this has been tuned before because there was duct tape on it and there's still clear tape on it. This one was not as was nicer to clean because it's already been cleaned, but I'm not the first one to tune this truck. Which makes me even more mad, like why not just leave the chip in there when you sell the truck, you know? Wi-Fi. Programming! I'm a professional tuner now. 1 million horsepower. Not guaranteed. Watch out.
I'll move through it.
Everything clear?
Yeah.
Oh, wait to start. We got no lights on the dash, which is good. We have, oh, let's see if that brake works. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It might work, John. I might have brakes now. All right, here's the game plan now. Let's get this fender well back in. Let's get the cold air intake installed. And get my e-brake bracket on. And then we'll take it for a drive around the block. See if we have brakes. She'll probably roll coal. She only has a downpipe. We still need to cut that out and put the exhaust in.
Yeah, that was straight pipe. Doesn't sound any different.
Yeah, I mean, wait till we get the good pipe in. All right, let's go.
All right, taking the foot test drive. It made a difference?
I don't know. I think it made it worse. You might need to do brakes on you, or at least like a flush or something.
Well, now you know you're getting good vacuum because now you can hear it. So it's your booster.
You think it's my booster out?
Yeah.
Oh, here's the real test. It's coming out the vents! We got vacuum. Oh no, we got brakes now, bud.
Oh yeah.
We got brakes. I think it just needs I think there might be some air in the lines.
Now you just need to run it. Just let it run. Let it rip.
Alright, hold on, let's see here. Hold this, I have no cup holders in here. Let's see. Notes. We got, let's go to number 7. We're going to 65 performance tune. Feels a lot faster, huh?
She can look the camera like, oh,
I can hold the Red Bull again. I only need one hand to drive. You need two hands to film. She feels faster, huh?
She feels like it pulls.
Brake check. Dude, like it hits the floor, but it stops. Like I don't know how to explain it. Like it feels like it shouldn't. It's like nothing's grabbing, but it grabs. What's up, guys? Back here next day, 2 days later. We ran out of storage on the memory card, so we didn't finish the exhaust install on the video, but we got her done. We got the gross tint off. Now we need to put new tint on to get rid of the fishbowl look. We got the tires. I previously got rid of the headache rack and put this toolbox in. We need to put next video. Hopefully, we're gonna try to bedline this and straighten out this back half right here. We're gonna try some angle iron, some ratchet straps, see if we can get that bed off the cab. But we got, that's a new bumper that didn't come with it. And just so you know, we got the exhaust done. I didn't chop it off for video purposes. And I don't know what tip I'm gonna get, so I don't know how far to chop it yet. Just starting to look like a work truck. Got rid of the seat cover. Don't mind the Red Bull or the gimbal here. But pretty clean interior, couple stains.
Crack ass.
Oh, don't look at this. Don't look at the negatives. Look at the positives. It's a clean truck. We got this T4 turbo, cold air intake, and a NOS fogger system. I'm just joking, but it is a direct injection turbo. It's pretty Fast and the Furious-ish. And if you look back here at this little hose, you can see that we got that oil crossover installed. If you look at this big old semi filter, we got the cold air intake installed. Oh, the vacuum pump, I did fix the brake problem, but now my booster has a leak on it.
Coming on these trucks, really coming.
Yeah, but that's not so bad now, because now I just have a little vacuum leak and it just goes tss, 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 while I drive. Don't point that out. I don't know where that oil came from.
What?
I think that's power steering fluid.
Probably is. Look at the rack further. This is not going in the cut. Truck's working fine.
All right, what's the ending? All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more work on this. And, oh, that's a terrible one. All right, hold on. Cut. What's up, guys? Back here at the home garage. We got Luis here.
We made it back. It didn't broke.
Yet. Keyword yet. We got everything so far done. First stages of an ultimate work truck done. A lot more to come. He also has a Miata drift build
That might be on future videos. It's not done yet, but once it's done, we'll take it to the track. We'll let you see what's on there.
Maybe new goal. Tell the drift Miata with the
this
work
guy.
truck. You know, that'd be. See if it'll make it all the way to San Antonio.
Probably.
I'll be in Mexico.
If we still have brakes by the time we get there.
All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hit like, subscribe.
We got a
Comment
sick
down.
montage for you after this. Sick montage.
Sick montage. Comment down if you want more of the awkward mechanic on. You know, to all my 5 subscribers that I have so far. Let us know. Hit like, subscribe, tune in for more. Thanks.